Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to One to Step YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can view your username on Spotify. So it's pretty simple to view your username in Spotify. Now before that, let me clarify you something. Most people think this is their username. So let me just show you. I'm going to click on this, click on profile. So the name you see over here, Richie Kevin, this is not my username. This is what we call display name, all right? So you guys might think this is what username in Spotify is, but no, the username in Spotify is a group of word, numbers, and text, all right? So it's basically like a long code, but that's basically what the username of Spotify is. This is what it's called display name, and I can change it whenever I want, but a username I can't change it. So let me show you how you guys can see your Spotify's username. So for that, you actually can't see it from Spotify. You need to go to a search engine. So I'm going to use my Google Chrome for that. So let me do that real quick. So I'm going to go to my search engine, search for spotify.com. I want to go to Spotify's website. After I'm in Spotify's website, I want to log in into my account. After I log in into my account, I want to click on profile and click on where it says account. And after I'm over here, as you guys can see my username, this is basically what my username is. It's a long group of code over here, as you guys can see. So yeah, that's the username. The name you see over here is display name, and the name over here is username. So don't get confused. But if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button to our YouTube channel, One to Step. And if you guys have any question related with this video, drop it down in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And just a reminder, this name cannot be changed. It's fixed. Once you create an account, it's given to you and it's fixed. So yeah, bye bye. Have a nice day.